Alright guys, here I go now. Couple days ago, me fix AC on the car, you see me? Get the car, have some issues. AC was one of the issues them. So car to one of my bridging card. It's good when you have links, you know. It's good when you make friends in all kind of areas. So when you need something to start out, you can you have the link to start it out. And a matter of fact, when you have them link there, you gotta try water it down in terms of beg them discount and then some there. Support it to the full extent. If they charge $1, willing to pay the $1 and make them say XYZ, say, you know what, give me this or give me that. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so that bridge we grew up together and things. So we carry the AC thing again, as I say. The condenser upon the AC the leak. So you can't go and weld drop it in back and me get it. It don't work until couple probably a day or so. I realize I be at here blow. So we check it again, carry go game again and realize say one older than we never one additional older than the welder never drop in. You see me? So he started out again and he give me. So I'm gonna call him now and let him know what I go on, you see me? Yo.
Mark.
Yo, what got? What got?
No.
Aye, yo, I want to tell you, say, dog. Me no know. Yo, something wrong with that AC, dog.
Enough.
Eh? Me no know. But I not even know what to do it, dog. Me don't know what to do it, really.
You know cool at all?
Yo, it's something cool like a ice, man, tell you, brother. Yo, Mr. I'll say, thing that come through the vent them, dad, we think cool. Yeah, Mr. Carpenter is a good job and keep it up still, isn't it? Yeah, man, what we give appreciation do, isn't it? Yeah, man, so, little more. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so here what? It's when you don't have to be your friends or nothing still. But it's good when you encourage somebody, isn't it? You don't know what that might do for them. If them do a good job, just tell them to them go do a good job. If them do a bad job, there are means and ways they can go about telling them without making not belittle them or so, isn't it? So I will say have a good day. Blessings and love.